we will be talking about Raksha Bandhan and its significance. Raksha Bandhan, also known as Rakhi Purnima or Rakhi, is a Hindu festival that focuses on the love and duty between brothers and sisters. Therefore, this year it will be celebrated on August 3rd. The word Raksha Bandhan comes from a Sanskrit word Raksha Bandhanam. Raksha means to protect and Bandhana means a bond. Thus Raksha Bandhan means a bond of protection. Rakhi Utsav was first popularized by Rabindranath Tagore to promote the feeling of unity and a commitment to all the members of society to protect each other and encourage a harmonious social life. Raksha Bandhan is a festival widely celebrated in the northern and western states of India. This festival falls on the full moon day of the Sawan month. This year, Raksha Bandhan is on 3rd August. The celebration begins with the sisters rising early and setting up the Rakhi Thali, which comprises of the Rakhi, desserts, rice grains and vermilion. Rakhi is a bunch comprised of string or garments which is tied on the right hand of the brother, also between cousins or distant family members, sometimes between biologically unrelated men and women. In this procedure, the brother gives a guarantee to his sister that he will consistently secure his sister regardless of whatever the circumstances is. Later on, sisters are given endowments from the brothers. In numerous customs, sisters tie Rakhi on the bangle of the brother's wife. Bangle in Marwari is called Lumba. Thus the Rakhi tied on the bangle is called Lumba Rakhi. Significance of Lumba Rakhi lies in the fact that wife is regarded as the Ardhangini or half of man's body. So once brother is married, no ritual gets complete without his wife. A husband is not allowed to sit in any puja without his wife. By tying Lumba Rakhi, sister wishes for a secured married life of his brother. The responsibility of a brother protecting and loving his sister is equally shared by his wife. This year, on 3rd August, the Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi can be tied any time between 9:28 in the morning to 9:17 at night. We will continue talking on Raksha Bandhan in next part. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Till next time, stay home, stay safe. Take care.